green key.
Okay.
Full speed. This is the amateur key. So which key you want?
I don't know. I want the green key.
All right.
For sure.
Put it right here.
Okay.
Put it right in there.
Like that.
Yep.
Okay.
And you press the start.
Now it's ready.
Yep. Just hold the start. And we're on. We got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
Sport mode if you want to send it. Eco mode if you want to save some gas.
Okay. We will be on sport mode, right?
Always, baby. Sending it all the time.
No amateurs.
No amateurs here. We're professional.
Okay.
Here we go. It's basically
Yeah, like a normal car.
Yep, normal automatic transmission, high gear, low gear. Low gear, we're gonna put on when we get on the extreme terrain. High gear is what we're gonna put it on.
Now we're on high gear.
We're going on high. All right, I'll see you up there, boss.
See you there.
Good luck.
So now we're gonna enter the forest with this beast. It has 170 horsepower, so let's see if it's really fast.